In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wishlist in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a wishlist feature running on your store, styled to match your brand and ready for customers to use. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading to your store's admin. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is where you can add new functionality to your store. In the search field, type wishlist to see the available options. You'll find several apps designed to let shoppers save products for later, which can boost conversions and help you understand customer interest. Choose the wishlist app that fits your needs, then click into it to view details. Take a quick moment to review the description, key features, and recent reviews so you know what you're getting. When you're ready, click Install or Add App. Shopify may show a permission screen that explains what the app can access. Review that information and confirm the install to continue. Once the app is installed, you'll typically see a short onboarding flow. Here, you'll be asked to choose your store's category and select your theme. Pick the category that best represents your products so the app can tailor default settings. Then select the theme you're actively using on your storefront. This helps the app place the wishlist button and icon in the right spots, like product pages and collection grids, without you needing to touch any code. Next, customize the styles so everything looks on brand. Most wishlist apps let you adjust the button text, icon shape, size, and color, as well as the position on the page. Match your brand colors, choose legible fonts, and make sure the contrast is strong enough for accessibility. If the app offers options for desktop and mobile separately, preview both so the wishlist button doesn't overlap other elements on smaller screens. You can also refine labels and messages to keep your store's tone consistent and clear. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Saving applies your styling and placement so the wishlist appears where you expect it. From here, feel free to explore the app's additional features. Many wishlist tools provide settings for how items are displayed, optional sharing links, and analytics that show which products customers are saving. Some also offer integrations for email reminders or back-in-stock notifications, which you can explore later if you need them. That's it. You've added a wishlist to your Shopify store, selected your theme, customized the design, and saved it. Enjoy exploring the app and refining it as your store grows.